Hello, my name is Efren Cortes. I'm a dentist in Stanford, and today I wanted to talk to you about one of the greatest advances in dental technology, and that's an implant. A lot of people have heard the term implant, but do they really know what it means? Do you really know what it means? Well, I just want to tell you a brief description of what an implant is. An implant is a root, a titanium root, a metal root that gets placed into the jawbone. Once that root is placed into the jawbone, we let it sit undisturbed for anywhere from 3 to 6 months. After that 3 to 6 month period, then we're ready to place a crown on that implant. So it's one of the greatest ways to replace missing teeth. It will sit on its own. It's an individual tooth, so you don't have to disturb teeth in front or behind the space. And it will keep bone in your jaw, because a funny thing happens when you take a tooth out of your jaw. The bone disintegrates, so you lose bone. It's bad enough that we lose bone over time. You don't want to advance that process by taking a tooth out and leaving it out without replacing it. The best way to replace it, the best way to keep the jawbone intact, is to place an implant, and then place an implant crown. A lot of people like to use the word implant and mean both things, but really an implant is a metal root that gets placed into your jawbone, and then we put the crown on that metal root. The best way that I can describe an implant to you is to tell you about, a drywall anchor. If you've ever hung a picture in the sheetrock or on a wall in your home, and you use one of those little plastic pieces that is red or yellow or gray or something like that, first you make a hole in the wall, and then you place the plastic piece in that hole, and then you can screw something into that plastic piece. Well, an implant is just like that plastic piece. It gets placed into your jawbone, and then there's threads inside of it that we can screw the crown onto that implant. So there you have the implant and the implant crown, and it's the same as a drywall anchor, but it's made out of titanium.